Hey guys, it's Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are open today at the Farmers Market from 9 to 5. Once again, you can place your order online and type local pickup, and it won't charge you shipping, so we'll have your order ready for you. You can pull right up under the Keto Cafe sign, and we'll hand you your order. What I want to show you is what I do with egg white, with the tortillas when I make them. Right now during this time, because everything is down and we're not moving as much as we normally do, I'm trying to do low carb, low calorie. So what I do is I take my butter and just put the tortilla in the pan. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of cheese on it, okay? Because I love cheese. I wish I could do without cheese, but I just can't. I'm gonna cover it up, let it warm up. So while that's happening, I buy these cage-free egg whites. This is what I use, cage-free egg whites, okay? And what I did here is I just made some egg whites with a little bit of jalapenos and a tiny bit of bacon bits. This is hardly any calories, guys. This whole wrap is gonna be under 100, well, no, not under 100, 36, and then a serving is about 90, that's 130, and then maybe about 150, 160 calories. But it's very filling. Like if you eat one of these, you will be very satisfied, okay? So my cheese melted. I'm just gonna roll it up. Sorry, it's really hot. And there's my wrap. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in 1 second. I'm gonna stick it on a plate here. It's just so nice, so crispy, so delicious. Let me cut it in half so you can see how beautiful it is and how tasty it is. Look at that. Ooh, it's hot. Flaming hot. See that, guys? And that's enough to satisfy me all morning for breakfast till it's time for lunch. So you're not eating a lot of calories, you're not eating hardly any carbs, and on top of it, you're detoxing. Because again, these tortillas are made with organic coconut flour and golden flax meal. And I put all kinds of other healthy nutritional stuff in it, like nutritional yeast and sunflower lecithin and all kinds of other stuff. So place your order today. You can come to the market too and get your order. It's not a problem. So we'll have tortillas for you when you come to the market. So thank you so much for watching. If you don't live around here, visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com and place your order online. I will say one thing though, packages seem to be arriving longer than usual. So I prefer not to ship tortillas or bars at this time. If you want to place an order and take the risk of getting them, I'm scared they might go bad is the problem, and I'm not going to be able to reimburse everybody if you end up getting your shipment late. So I would prefer you just order mixes, sweetie, and the thyroid stuff right now, and the bombs, the stuff that doesn't need to be refrigerated. So let's do that now. And if you are local, you're welcome to come pick up bars. You're welcome to come pick up tortillas. But this is an excellent breakfast. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me. Thanks for watching. God bless you.